guys. Okay, I thought I am recording. Hello guys. We are walking here in Bustan Behesht Madaran, or by translation Mother's Heaven. Okay, these days I am listening to different songs. One of them is Don't You Worry, Shakira, Black Eyed Peas, and David Guetta, and it's directed by David X, if I'm not mistaken. Don't you worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. And one of them is Zeppelin. Oh my god, it's a very famous band, Led Zeppelin, if I'm not mistaken. So, and Stairway to Heaven, it's a very famous song. Also, another song is Britney Spears and Will I Am from Black Eyed Peas. It says scream and shout and let it out loud. Okay, and the best one, last but not least, my favorite band, Queen band, Bohemian Rhapsody. I recently watched a movie and I love Freddie Mercury so much, and Queen. So these days I listen to these songs very much. Today I am for walking, and here is so calm, and especially today because it's Friday, I am going to record it for daily vlog, or maybe weekly vlog, or monthly vlog. I don't know. I use it in my videos. Haven't decided yet. But because today is so, nobody's here, it's better to film. So, but my battery is going to die soon. It has it has no charge almost, and so bear with me guys. Here is very beautiful, one of my favorite places. You have many trees, flowers, you can see, you can listen to birds singing, and also other birds, cats, even dogs, and so it's very, there are some chairs and it's a tree. Okay, and this is the sky, and this is me. Actually, I watched a film, I later talk about it, France was very beautiful. It has two languages, German and French, and hopefully I understand both of them. French better than German, but both of them, and it was very beautiful. Also, I watched a movie that I have watched before. It is called A Man Escaped. It's about a person who who wants to escape from prison of Nazis, and it's very beautiful. I don't spoil anything, so you have to watch it later on. Thank you guys for everything, for supporting me. Please subscribe my channel and let me know your opinion. Feel free to comment, don't hesitate at all. I am very flexible and I like criticism about everything I do. Because I used to go to acting classes, and when you go to acting classes you prepare yourself for being judged and criticized by other people. I don't consider myself an actress, but I think generally speaking it's a way of getting out of your comfort zone. These kind of things, opening a channel or playing in a movie or theater, or even talking to strangers all of them needs courage and bravery. Oh, today is very beautiful. After 1 month, because I burnt myself with aftab, le soleil, je ferme bêtise. یعنی یه کار احمقانه انجام دادم. I did a very stupid thing. So I think, yes, you know, I couldn't get out of house for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and so I came here after a long time, and somebody are looking at me. Why am I talking on the video? Okay, so yes, I think because of that, after a long time I came here, guys, and you know, it's very interesting to see all the trees, and you know, they are shouting. I didn't know what they said. Maybe later I listen to it and I understand. Okay. They said in Farsi, maybe they didn't like that I am taping a video, I don't know. So that's it for now, guys. Let us go. And this is the place, you know. Hello, beautiful cat. What beautiful colors, black and white. He's resting, so I don't want to make him uncomfortable. Let's go. Him or her, I don't know. This is the places. There are many calm places you can sit and rest. You know, in the previous video, I don't know why the girls shouted. You know, sometimes people, it's a natural of, making videos in public actually, but sometimes people don't respect each other's. For example, I felt that they shouted intentionally because they wanted a shout will be recorded in my video, and I don't remove it because I want my videos to be natural and, you know, very, they were teenagers, and I don't know, maybe they weren't with me, but because they were whispering when they saw me that I am recording a video. So, you know, maybe sometimes recording videos and pictures, even in this technology world, is surprising for some people, so they get surprised. Why am I recording? It's better not to record. You know, sometimes life is easier without technology, but on the other hand, it's enjoyable to record a video, take photos, you know. It's very interesting. So let us sit here for a while and then we go walking. Thanks, guys. And by the way, thank you, girls, for shouting. Okay, here is another part of the, you know, this park is one of the best parks. You can enjoy a lot. Okay, this part is also another part. There's a sport complex here. Look at everywhere. Even there is toilet here. You know. You know, the thing that I want to mention is that here in this park on Fridays and holidays, family are allowed, both men and women, but on the other days only women. So you can be here without hijab when there are women only, because we are living in an Islamic country, you know. This is a playground of children. They are playing, and you know, it can be difficult to record video here. Here people are very sensitive. You can't record a video whenever you want, you know. Outside of here, it's not safe because of stealing the phone, and inside is safe, but people may be annoyed because although I don't take photos or videos from others, but even in that case some people get angry or annoyed, or maybe they think that their privacy is in danger, and it's their right. I mean, I respect them, and I think yes, it's true, because some people don't like to be in others' public video or photos or channel, you know. Here is also beautiful. There are many flowers, and you know, it's the square. When you go to the left, you can find a tiny supermarket, buy something for yourself, and on the other hand here that I want to show you is a sport facility. Sometimes I used to come here and do many of them. I mean, the ones that are suitable for me, not all of them. Some of them are really heavy, but it's a very good place, and you know, it's very calm. You can be here without stress, read a book, do exercises, run, walk. I mean, we can do anything that is possible, you know. Oh, somebody is there, so better. Again, let's go this way. You know, for example, this one is interesting. Okay, some of them are really cool. For example, like fixed bicycle. Some of them are very heavy. It's not for me. For example, men can use it, or those who are very powerful. Oh, my battery is going to die. So thank you guys. Bye for now. Look at these little ones. They are red. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. What a beautiful stair. They are painted colorfully, you know. Again, I'm in the park, my favorite spot.
2,000 years later.